Various wildlife species have started making the forest in Cheksabi-Chingsang Range their homes, thanks to years of efforts by environmental activist Sanasam Chittaranjan, who had planted several trees in this hill range, which is located in Kakching District's Wangoo. SKTV chief reporter Khetrimayum Premchand and video journalist Bital Yambim brings you a special report. Sanasam Chittaranjan, who hails from Wangoo Laifam Chungya Awang, has been engaging in conservation of forest and wildlife at Cheksabi Chingsang Hill Range since childhood. The trees which he had planted has matured and is playing a great role in maintaining an ecosystem that supports habitation of wildlife, including barking deer and various species of birds. Even this year, Chittaranjan has planted about 20,000 saplings along the hill range, and the seeds which he had shown have also developed into saplings. Sanasam Chittaranjan expresses satisfaction over his efforts.
Handak thariba 20,000 simadi inkal ko ngai dai ko inchi mari manga mai wang ngai re duga mamang da sigi matam thagi bising di sigi size dum chaw yaure hong phajana dum u phange sidagi di phajana ma ham khangnai khoi u se hor pu urani paktar urani nai thamjage ko sima aduga wana matam da di ai chi kok su hai de ketang ngang wari na wat panina kolom seme isa yumda maru je lawru re uyung maru na jingma sai maru jingma je adu lawru matung sidai khoina thare ka sida pakhat pukhat pasem wa bai tare jarang na pur ponina laiwak ne kain pu da ni pan pan pu da mi mana pu da dum matik chai tare lam sang chala pusingam da ba adu handakti yamna la ya pambayam dai tare ko maru ngata pur ka da jun julai matam sida phajana thabi ba simasu phajana kana phangra na khale adu ga si makha ta da aina chum thara pa da mamang da chairau bu da ko chairau matam sida koina u char piraga chairau jingga sida mayam thabi ba adu su phajana dum 100 da 95% dum hinge tare su raina.
Few years back, the forest cover along Cheksabi Chingsang had drastically reduced due to deforestation and fire. But with his relentless efforts to restore the forest, the hill range is vastly covered with varieties of trees. This has invited various wild animals to settle in this forest. Chittaranjan has also dug out pits to provide water for these wild animals and also planted fruit-bearing trees.
Anova ujek na jingba ko ujek na jingba daidi saji makta haira su haidi hana leramiba saji makhal hai tare ko siki haiba lip munjak aina khangne koina haiba koi saji makhal ase sigi da makta su moi khalaga da aina uyung ngata ama thari chi moi da makta nai tare maru yam chai moi je aduga moi na muk sandok pusam thu bai tare u sar sandok pase among the animal hai tare ko wildlife fisheries ni moi su makhal amane nai thamjage koi lip munjak se haino maru moi na chari ko aduga haining maru si cha ba ngam da bunina pura chakra kal yagam thadarame moi ungraga aduna amuk horokpagi chang chang wange moina chab chung hele hobus mai tawdana haidi phajana moina sudum chanduri etari u thabse ko sida khalaka da makoi bu yokningba adaidi rare oiba species ji koina haidi aigi matamda aina lari matam sida aina si mai thanam me haibadu ne haidi baba hoina matam da wetland area sing da smile leram ni kholam da pawdi taraga men u phangda bu nuai jida bai tare ada makoi gi kanaba haidi adugi environment ga khoi gi lainari mari hai tare nature je khoi ga thana ba yade haibadu gi mayam su thamning bai tare.
While emphasizing on the importance of wildlife and other species in maintenance of forest ecosystem, Chittaranjan maintained that thousands of sandalwood trees are growing in the forest due to seeds excreted by various birds. The environmental activist further appealed to people regarding the importance of conserving birds and wild animals.
Haidi sigi sida yam kanar environment sida saji khitana tana koi sida makhal kya gi hai hore tare ado maru dagi sandok pangamba pambi makhal mayama adi koi samna harda khongnang hairase khongnang maru se mi ne thab dadi hauda ba tawbudabu hairiba khoining hairiba uchek sina charaga di makoina charaka sida chatlaga moina mathi phaidor ko je sina compulsory dum hawe ba sigi posima sar chandan haina si chingmai si lei ba chingmai je si sida mi amtana charge nan tharu tai tare thousand na charge nan bambi ho re loina adamak dam ai samak na yam thapana thengna re ko asi khoining ai mayam na te het yeng da khoining se akoi da lai bani na kemta lai tan di khan bi bai tare ado ngasi baw da pok pa di u amok tha da ba mi si yorong ni tare ko et pok pa di chi baw da u sar mok tharam da si gi ba si yorong ni tare to bu da bu hai ba khoining du di tharam he tare ko koi da mak tai tare be di ai na u phange ba khoina yongsak ta ta ba tin je u tu bi na hutla ka da mok cha ba ngam me sigi pramana ngon da chap chan lai ko sumai tar ka sta ina hai di jiwa pan ma mayam se mokoi ki to ba mayam se darka oira me malem sai tare aduna sigi da makta khala ka da ina hai di conservationist ta sumai tar sang a ka tare ko wala ki sumai na si su aina khona jab nai tare
If people aware about the environment and work to protect it as Chittaranjan is doing at his hometown, we will achieve healthier and better environment. And the government should also support to those who actively work for protecting our environment. With camera person Bital Yambem, this is SKTV Premchan reporting for SKTV News, Wangoo.